In this tutorial, you'll learn how to design acrylic plastic jewelry, like these ninja star earrings. It will be important to pay attention to sizing. Most jewelry is delicate, although I guess that's a subjective feature and varies person to person. To get started, we'll create our canvas and grab it 16 by 12 inches. I'm going to start off with something simple, earrings in the shape of ninja stars. I say simple because they only need to be cut out. So let's go find our image. Okay, so I'm searching for a 4-point ninja star silhouette, and I like this file right here because it has the 4-star that I'm looking for. Again, I'm going to keep this simple and use the ninja star silhouette that I find online. However, if you are more ambitious and you'd like to create something really customized, then you could draw your own shape using the pen tool and grab it. Now let's import the silhouette image and vectorize it. Great, it didn't mess it up too much. My curves are still there. So this group, we're going to ungroup. And then I'm going to remove all the unwanted paths. That I'm going to lock it. And I probably want this transparent, yep. But then everything else I can delete. And then you can see that the black path contains all three, so we're going to split that as well as the transparent path. So now I have my ninja star, and I'm going to create one compound path, remove the fill, add a border of red. Now that I have the shape of the earring that I like, this is where I want to think about how big would this be and what type of earring. Because I have the hole in the center, I want this to be dangling, so I'm going to need to put another hole so I can have the jumper rings and the earring hooks attach. So I think I'm going to put the hole up on a point here. So I'm going to come up and grab my ellipse tool, and we're going to make a little circle. Right now I'm in inches, but I do want to change to millimeters, because if you don't have your jumper ring there and a micrometer to measure, I suggest that you do that. I'm going to put 2 millimeters in right now because those jumper rings are very tiny and thin, and let's see, looking at that, 2 might be too small. We'll go with 4 by 4. And I still might need to adjust this later, but I'm going to go ahead and put that there, remove the fill, add a border of red. Great. And looking at it, it might need to be a little closer to an edge so that the jumper ring will fit more easily. Again, this is something you'll have to play with, and once you have your attachments, you'll be able to figure that out for yourself. So I have one earring. Now I need to duplicate it. Select everything, copy, paste, and move it over. And now I have 2 earrings. That's it. I'm ready to fabricate. I'm going to save my project, export it as save it first as my name. The project title, so Ninja Earrings, and the material, acrylic. Then I can export it as a PDF, 100 dpi, Even just doing a quick search on Etsy for laser cut acrylic earrings, you'll find a lot of inspiration. Obviously, another popular material for laser cut jewelry is wood because it can be engraved as well as cut out. And with wood, you can even hand paint your final designs.